It's been a long time. I decided to film today because it's 2020 and I'm 20 and I felt like it was needed. I haven't filmed since October and today's tutorial is gonna be Egirl inspired. I really don't have any idea, you know, how to do it. I just got inspired when I watched some other YouTubers video on this look and I thought it was really cute. So I've already concealed my brow, well, attempted to conceal my brows. You still see the hairs all over. You still can see the hairs, but I attempted to create straight brows so I conceal the rest of the hair. So I'm going to mix, let me turn it around. I'm going to mix this one and this one and just see what I get. Okay, so let's mix those two. I'm just going to plop that right in my eye onto everything. I'm sure my cat's about to come jump on this. Yeah, and he did. Yeah, he did. And he knocked out my brushes. So let's just plop that into.
Two hours later.
And so I kept a makeup wipe handy just to wipe up any imperfections. Just like right, I would say right here. Because it kind of got like a little bit overboard. I'm trying to really have it blend, you know. It falls really into my eyes. I'm not trying to have it really harsh, you know what I'm saying? I don't want it to look harsh. I want it to really fall into my waterline and seamlessly just look flawless, you know? And then I clean it up and it's like, ooh, flawless, flawless, flawless. I'm trying to just, yeah, so.
Thank you.
So now I'm gonna just dab the Pro Filter onto my face now. Set my face with the Fenty setting powder in the shade Cashew. I'm just gonna set like my outer face areas, like around here on my forehead. Use my beauty blender to set. And I'm gonna. Now around the perimeter of my forehead and around the cheeks and under my chin, just to give that color back. the same color that I used, that bluey color, and I sweep that right under with a small blending brush.
I don't know, I just don't think this is like right for me. I don't want to do it. I want to go home. Like, I can't take the pressure of it. Don't you think any job interview...
Now I'm gonna go in and apply mascara to my eye, top and bottom row. I'm gonna be using, I would say, I don't remember the brand it is. They make like Kush mascara. I think it's Milk Makeup. I'm gonna go in with a Kush mascara and put that on my eyes. I'm gonna apply mascara. Just gonna take it on the bottom, top and bottom. So I'm done with that bottom row. Okay. I love mascara because I'm bald-eyed, and when I put mascara on, it just gives the whole look of life all this time. No, I need to go in with blush first. Should I do highlighter then blush? I think I'll do highlighter first. Got this at Urban Outfitters for like, I would say like $2 in the sales section. And it's like a liquid highlighter. It's like reflective purple color. I'm gonna take that along my cheekbones. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna dot that here. And then dot it on the other side here. And on my nose. And the bridge of my nose. I'm just gonna like dab that in here and just slightly put more pigment and build as I go. It's like a really oily base. Just gonna take the other side and just blend that through. Very part. And so now I'll let this dry down. I'm about to apply my WetnWild blush. It's my favorite blush by WetnWild. It's called Blazin Berry. It has like shimmers in it. Let me open it. Okay. It has like little shimmers in it. So I'm gonna use this. I don't know. I got blush all over this, but I'm gonna use this color in Blazin Berry. I'm just gonna pat like this part of my face, like on my nose, to give me that look that I'm going for. And I just can't live without blush. There's just no way that I could do this without blush. So I'm just gonna dot this. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender, just pat it down. So I can settle it a little bit because it's kind of harsh now. Clean beauty blender. Just gonna like pat. Now that it's patted down, I'm going to now do the lips. Make a combo of Fussy by Rihanna, and then I use this by Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper, and I go in after, and I use this tinted lip balm by Chapstick Rose Petal. I'm gonna go in and just give my lips some color. A long time since I filmed, and I just wanted to update you guys. I also bleached my hair recently, and I decided to go like this dark orange. It's more fall-y. I don't know why I was feeling that way, and it's January. Let's like and subscribe, and I'll be back for more. Thank you guys.